if your assignments took 20 minutes instead of 2 hours? And what if difficult topics suddenly made sense and your study notes were ready in one click? Today I'm going to show you how students and teachers can use Comet AI for making study notes and understanding difficult topics, creating MCQs, short questions and revision notes, and importantly, how to use Comet AI responsibly. So whether you are a school student, a college goer or a teacher, this video is going to save you time, stress and confusion. So let's start. Comet AI is an AI powered browser that helps you study smarter, not harder. So instead of switching between Google, PDFs, YouTube, Notes apps, it lets you read, understand, summarize, and create study materials all in one place. And for students, it's like a study assistant. For teachers, it's like a content planning helper. Most common problem for students making notes. If you have a long chapter, a PDF, or an online article, instead of reading everything line by line, you can ask Comet AI create easy study notes from this chapter for exam preparation, and it will highlight key points, break information into headings with simple language. I write a prompt, create easy to understand study notes on photosynthesis for exam preparation and use simple language and bullet points. Click enter. And you can see it gives me key points with headings in simple language. And also you can pick any image of your desired topic. You can also say that make bullet point notes for a 10th grade student. This is perfect for exams and class tests and last minute revision. Teachers can also use Comet AI to prepare lecture notes and create handouts, simplify content for different grades. For example, convert any topic into classroom friendly notes for middle school students. One of the Comet AI's strongest features is explaining difficult topics in simple words. If a topic feels confusing, just ask that explain this topic in simple words with an example, and you can even say explain this like I'm a beginner, and Comet AI will use easy language, give real life examples, and avoid complicated terms. This is extremely useful for math, science, economics, um, computer concepts, and teachers can also use this to find new ways to explain a topic and prepare simple explanations for weak students or create story-based explanations. I write a prompt, explain Newton's first law of motion in very simple words for a beginner, and use a real-life example and press enter. And you can see how Comet AI explains the concept in simple language with examples students can relate to. For example, think of a hockey puck sliding on smooth ice. It glides straight ahead without slowing down much because no big force stops it like friction or wind. But if you hit it with a stick, it changes direction or speed. That's the force in action. Now let's talk about MCQs, which are essential for tests and practice. You can ask Comet AI to create 10 MCQs from any topic with answers, or make MCQs for 9th grade science chapter. And it can generate multiple choice questions with correct answers and sometimes even with explanations. This is very useful for students for practice before exams, and teachers for preparing test papers and quizzes, and coaching centers for quiz assessments. And I want to give a prompt to create 10 multiple choice questions on the water cycle and include 4 options and highlight the correct answer. And it gives me 10 MCQs about the water cycle. with some explanation. Which process in the water cycle changes liquid water on Earth's surface into water vapor in the atmosphere. Clouds are formed in the water cycle mainly because of which process? And there are other options like make easier, make harder, more questions, and customize with the follow up. And you can modify it according to your choice. Now, Comet AI can also generate short questions which are very important for board exams and Viva preparations. And you can ask, create short questions from this chapter or make 2 mark and 5 mark questions, and it will cover important concepts and save you hours of preparation and also help teachers maintain questions variety. I write a prompt, create short questions with 2 to 3 line answers on climate change for exam practice, include 2 mark and 5 mark questions. And you can see it gives me 3 questions of 2 marks and 5 marks separately. Revision time is stressful for us, but Comet AI makes it easier. You can ask, like, create revision notes for this topic, or you can ask that summarize this chapter for last day revision, and it will remove unnecessary details and focus on exam relevant points and create compact summaries. It is perfect for night before exams and weekly revision. And I want to give a prompt to create quick revision notes on parts of a cell and focus only on exam relevant points. So let's give this prompt. And a perfect revision notes on parts of a cell is here under the headings of cell membrane and cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, chloroplast, vacuole, cell wall, centrioles. And I think this compact note is very useful for last year revision and weekly reviews and fast record before test. But Comet AI should be used as a learning assistant, not a shortcut for teaching. Now, this is very important. We should use Comet AI to understand concepts, to make notes, practice questions, and improve learning. But we should not copy assignments blindly, submit AI generated work without understanding anything, or depend on it instead of studying. Use Comet AI like a teacher explaining, a guide helping you to learn, or a tool supporting your effort. After watching this video, many of you might be thinking that why do we even need Comet AI when we already have ChatGPT, or aren't ChatGPT and Comet AI basically the same thing? This is one of the most common confusion today. We think that every AI tool does the same job, but that's not true. Just like a calculator isn't the same as Excel. Similarly, ChatGPT and Comet AI are not the same thing, and they do not serve the same purpose. So, which one saves more time and which one is better for assignments? And most importantly, which AI should you actually use? And to answer these questions, I am preparing a complete practical comparison video. So subscribe to my channel Toolbloom AI, and if you found this video helpful, like and share it.